Welcome to ProX Live. This is Gabriel with ProX Live Performance Gear, InfoComm 2026. As you may know, ProX is very well known in the cable industry, and we are expanding our design. We are becoming always with the new product ideas. So one of the things that with the True One, it happens many times, the productions, the guys, they don't have enough cables, they forgot the cable. So we came up with this very nice gadget, which is the power in for the True One and the power on from the True One to the Edison. So if you have a light and it has a True One out, you could just get the extension Edison on here, or you could connect this to your power in and you could get the power in on your True One as well. It's a great product. We sell them in the packages like this. Check our website proxdirect.com, and the SKU numbers is ADTR1M ED515R.